this is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr and iGeekPhone.com. Today I received a dome camera from Yi, a company that cooperates with Xiaomi. It's a security camera with a 360 radius ability with an 1080 pixels HD, 112 wide angle camera, 2-ways audio, auto cruise, motion tracking, night vision, baby crying detection, and as I told you, a 360 panoramic snapshot. It came to me from the Amazon store of Yi, and the dash camera that I have already presented to you. Now, the resolution of the camera is 1090 and 920 to 1080 with a lens of 2.5 millimeters aperture. It has a built-in microphone and speaker. The video that records, it's recorded with encoding H264 with 3D noise reduction, activity alert. It has night vision camera with infrared cut and non-invasive LEDs. The Wi-Fi, as all Yi cameras, are at 2.4 gigahertz. You can connect to them using the app by scanning the QR code here, and you can control them either from the application or the Mi Home. It has wireless security with Web WPA or WPA2, and of course it needs a USB power supply. Here you can see briefly all the features of the camera. So let's open it up and see it. As I told you, it came to me from the Amazon store, so I had no problems with customs. As always, all items that I have received from Yi come to me without any problem of customs. So here it is, the manual. In English, I see German, French, multi-language. Here are other camera that comes from Yi, limited warranty for the Yi camera. So this is the camera. In order to connect to the camera, we'll need to scan this one. Here is for connecting to the power. It supports an external card where it stores all video taken. The connection slot, reset button. We'll put it on power in a little bit. Here is the microphone. Now let's see what else inside the box. So here we have a stand in order to place it on the wall. Here are the holes for the bolts, and here are the bolts. As you can see, a EU adapter from Yi, 1 ampere, and the USB cable that comes with the camera in order to power it up. Here it is. So let's power up our camera and connect it to our mobile to see how it works. So I went through the QR code in order to scan the QR code that is here, and it installed me Yi Home. Let's open it up. Europe. So we're connecting now through Facebook to the application. Let's get started. So we must first connect to 2.4 gigahertz. In order to be able to run the app and connect to the camera. Here it is. So let's connect to the power the camera. Okay. So we add a camera. This is Yi Dome.
Welcome to Yi Home camera. Waiting to connect.
So we choose here the Yi 1080p Dome camera. I here waiting to connect.
Waiting to connect. Waiting to connect.
All right. So it tries to connect now.
Waiting to connect. Waiting to connect.
We must wait in order to hear QR code scan is successful.
Waiting to connect.
Yes, but all right, we heard the message, so we press next.
Wi-Fi is connected.
So it's
Pairing is successful. You can start
Pairing
using
is
your
successful.
camera now.
You can start using your camera now.
all right. So camera is on. Here are the settings, camera settings. It has new firmware version, so let's update it.
Downloading firmware.
As you can see, everything is in English, not a word in Chinese, as the old camera is rebooting to upgrade. It will take some seconds in order to update.
Upgrading firmware. Please keep the camera plugged in.
All right, it's updating my firmware. Now it's trying to connect. If it had finished upgrading the firmware, it would connect. The firmware is updated. As you see, the camera rotates. So it must connect now to the app. You will see this 5% is to become 25, and then it must connect. 25. And it's the first time that the app connects to the camera, so it takes some time the first time. After that, everything is set up, so there is no problem. Here it is, connected. So with this one, we control the camera. And it shows around. Here on I am. Hello. It goes down, up, and around. Very good control. As you see with the joystick here on the screen, I control it, and you can see around 360. It made it full turn. Here is in the sound, but I close it because I speak and it will make waves. Very good quality of the image.